What's up guys, in this video we will be talking about the potential changes that AI can bring about in the NFT gaming. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Cointelegraph. It has a good article that talks about the AI, and the link to this will be in the description of the video. Alright, so first things first guys, virtual environments and in-game assets. Let's first take a look at how many AI may impact gaming environments and assets. Now, using a combination guys of pre-made assets and algorithms that generate new content, these games offers players a constantly changing, unpredictable gameplay experience, which not only will defeat the boredom of users and players, also invites creative players that knows how to code to come up with maps that users could also utilize, which makes the entire game exciting all throughout, right? So AI can be used to generate personalized in-game assets for players based on their preference and playing history. So it can be used to analyze a player's data, which then the machine used to recommend and give predictions based on the user's activities. All right, so an opportunity for players and developers. It says here that through AI, developers can create virtual environments that feel more alive and interactive. I totally agree on that. So these modders or creators of user-generated content can distribute their creations for free while still being compensated by their audience. And a perfect example of that is you have Minecraft, you have Roblox, wherein it allows users or anyone that knows how to code to develop maps or games in their platform, and then the players will use them. So that makes the game last for a very long time without getting the users or the players bored in playing the game, right? So what is the future of AI, right? So the future of gaming and AI, it says here, as we can see, AI can greatly reduce the time, the expertise and complexity required to building a gaming experience. And I totally agree on that. And not only in the gaming industry or the gaming experience, guys, AI is very useful in trading as well. You can go ahead and check out our channel, check out for the AIs that are used in trading. That way you could also learn to utilize and take advantage of AI when you do your trades. And if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.